What's the meaning of cash machine? Cash machine. Cash machine.
Cash machine. Cash machine. A cash machine, also known as an automated teller machine, ATM, is an electronic device that allows banking customers to perform financial transactions without the need for a human teller. These machines are typically found in public areas such as streets, shopping centers, and airports, and can dispense cash, deposit funds, transfer money, and check account balances. Cash machines provide a convenient way for customers to access their money at any time of the day or night, but they can also be susceptible to fraud and may charge fees for certain transactions.